My name is Giovanni Clark. It is July 31st, and today I'll be conducting a case study of chiral molecule thalidomide. Its IUPAC name is 2-2,6-dioxypiperidine 3-il isoindol 1,3 dione. Its common name is thalidomide, also known by trade names Thalidomide and Contergan. Thalidomide consists of two functional groups known as the phthalimide ring and the glutaramide ring. The phthalimide ring, shown in blue, is derived from phthalic acid, a benzene or phenol ring fused to a 5-membered imide. The adjacent carbonyl groups of the imide function as aromatic, rigid, and electron-withdrawn groups. Glutaramide, shown in red, is derived from glutaric acid, a 5-carbon dicarboxylic acid or 5-membered cyclic imide without an aromatic ring. It acts as a key chiral center and thus determines biological activity. There is a single stereocenter at carbon 3 of the piperidine ring, which is shown in the figures below. Also shown in the figures below are the right enantiomer, or thalidomide, which is thought to contain sedative properties, while left enantiomer, S-thalidomide, is mutagenic and teratogenic, causing congenital, skeletal, and organ malformations and even death. There are two isomers of thalidomide. These are enantiomers R and S-thalidomide, which are also constitutional isomers. Aside from these two, there are others that exist theoretically but are not clinically relevant. In addition, there are no diastereomers as there is only one stereocenter present. Thalidomide was marketed as a racemic mixture for its sedative properties in the 1950s to treat morning sickness in addition to insomnia, anxiety, and headaches, coined as a wonder drug. However, it was not tested in pregnant women since scientists did not believe any drug taken could pass through the placental barrier. Thalidomide was repurposed for multiple myeloma and Kaposi sarcoma due to its inhibition of angiogenesis, among other conditions in controlled usage. Thalidomide is also known to undergo chiral interconversion. Despite the understanding that only the S enantiomer may cause congenital developmental abnormalities, it was demonstrated that under physiological condition, the body undergoes chiral inversion, making isomer separation ineffective. The chiral center adjacent to a carbonyl group on the glutaramide ring allows for keto-enol tautomerism. This is the ketone conversion to an enol, breaking the chiral center's bond. Water and other bases can serve as catalysts for isomerization and the facilitation of proton transfer from the chiral carbon to an adjacent oxygen in the glutaramide ring. Its molecular formula is C13H10N2O4. There are about 30 sigma bonds and 7 pi bonds. The hybridization of the compound involves aromatic carbons with sp2 hybridization and chiral carbons with sp3 hybridization. This last page contains my references. Thank you for coming to today's talk.